Terrestrial, a rocky world outside our solar system. In our solar system, Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus are terrestrial or rocky planets, while planets outside our solar system that are between half the size of Earth are considered terrestrial. Data collected by telescopes in space and on Earth suggest that small, rocky planets are common. Further study is needed to determine whether some of these worlds have atmospheres, oceans, or other signs of habitability. Larger terrestrial exoplanets, those at least twice as massive as Earth, are classified as super-Earths. Learn about some terrestrial planets. In general, terrestrial planets have a composition dominated by rock or iron, and a solid or liquid surface. The most important facts. Future space telescopes will be able to analyze the light from some of these planets and look for water or a mixture of gases similar to our own atmosphere. 7 terrestrial worlds. In 2017, NASA announced the discovery of the most Earth-sized planets found in the habitable zone of a single star, called TRAPPIST-1. All with the potential for water on their surfaces, is an exciting discovery in the search for life on other worlds. In February 2018, a closer look at the 7 planets suggested that some of them may harbor far more water than Earth's oceans. This artistic concept shows what the TRAPPIST-1 planets might look alike. TRAPPIST-1b, the innermost planet, likely has a rocky core and an atmosphere. TRAPPIST-1d is the lightest of the planets, about 30% of Earth's mass. Scientists aren't sure if it has a large atmosphere, an ocean, or a layer of ice. All 3 would give the planet a shell of volatile matter. TRAPPIST-1f, G, and H are far enough from the host star that any water present on these surfaces could be frozen as ice. If they have thin atmospheres, they are unlikely to contain Earth's heavy molecules, such as carbon dioxide. The more we study, the more our understanding may change. We are still trying to figure out how big a planet can be and still be rocky, says Jesse Dotson, an astrophysicist at NASA's Ames Research Center in California, Silicon Valley. Our galaxy is home to an estimated 300 million of these potentially habitable worlds, based on the results of a study using Kepler data. Some of these exoplanets could even be our interstellar neighbors, with 4 potentially within 30 light-years of our Sun and the closest likely about 20 light-years from us. Scientists have discovered a strange gap in planet sizes. On the other hand, the smaller planets orbiting close to their stars could be the cause of Neptune-like worlds that have had their atmospheres stripped away. Explaining the Fulton Gap will require a much better understanding of the formation of solar systems.